Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a grocery haul again. So let's start the video. So guys, let's start with the pulses. All the dal I buy. This time I shop from Big Basket applications. If you are new to the application, then there's a coupon code for flat 100% discount on minimum 1000 rupees shopping. So I'll write down the code in the description bar. So go and check that to avail the discount. So let's start with the items which I buy from them. So first let's talk about the dals I'll get. Okay, let's start. Yeah, I buy this all the things from Big Basket. So वो अपनी पैकेजिंग करते हैं, अपनी दाल्स और बहुत सारी चीज़ें अपनी पैकेजिंग में सेल करते हैं. So I buy this black chana from Big Basket. You can see over here. Yes, bigbasket.com. I buy this, and all the prices also I'll write down in the description box if you want to check it out. So first thing is this black chana, and next is everyone's favorite rajma. So I also buy this from bigbasket.com. You think why the packaging are different? This is in green color and this is in pink or purple, whatever you say. It's a royal quality and they're popular. I don't know what's the difference, but they write their royal and the popular over here. So I don't know what's the difference, but that's that. I buy this 1 kg rajma. The product this time I buy is very common and everyone needs it in their kitchen. So this time I buy very common kind of things. I didn't buy any specific or any special thing for me. I just buy the normal stuff which every kitchen has. So next is this Kabuli chana. It's also from bigbasket.com. No, Big Basket application, sorry. Big Basket. So that's that. Okay, next let's come to the dals. I buy this tur dal. Yes, tur dal from Tata Sampann. That's the packaging. Yes, that's the tur dal. And next is this, what? Oh, it's possible. 2 tur dals. I think I buy by mistake. I think I ordered 2 tur dals. I don't know what I am going to do with 2 kgs of tur dal, but I have 2 packages. It says high protein tur dal. Let's see what I am going to do with 2 kgs of tur dal. So next is this chana dal. It's also from Tata Sampann, high protein chana dal. That's that. Okay. Next is this moong chilka. Yes, moong chilka by BB Royal. BB Royal, yes. bigbasket.com. That's that. Okay. I didn't get one dal which I ordered. Oh, wait. BB Royal. What you call masoor, sabut masoor. I'm very bad in recognize the names of the dal. मुझे नहीं पता कौन सी दाल. I said brown वाली दाल, yellow वाली दाल, black वाली दाल, green वाली दाल. I didn't know the names of the dals. So that's masoor, 1 kg. So that's all with the dals and rajma and chole and all that. Let's come to besan. I buy this 1 kg Rajdhani besan. It's very nice, amazing besan, good quality besan Rajdhani makes. So that's Rajdhani besan, 1 kg, because we all love pakodas and kadhi pakoda and each and everything. So next is dalia. It's from Ahar Dalia roasted. ये ऑलरेडी रोस्टेड होता है, आपको इसे रोस्ट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती. सो calcium, vitamin, iron. They added calcium, vitamin, iron. Dalia already had calcium, vitamin, iron. Okay, so let's come to the breakfast items. I buy this Ahar Poha, 1 kg. Nahi, sorry, 500 grams. Yes, this is Ahar Poha. 5-minute snack. I love me and my husband love poha. I love poha. So that's that. And oats. How can I miss that? Safola masala oats. Me, my husband, my father-in-law, my mother-in-law, my baby, all of us love this oats. Love, love, love. Love this oats. So that's that. And next I order 3 pouches of this. It's cooker masala oat kesar kishmish, kesar flavor with kishmish. This is awesome. I buy 4 packs, but right now I have 3 because मैंने एक बना के already खा लिया है. So it's taste awesome. So that's 3 pouches of oat, cooker oats kesar flavor with kishmish. So that's that. And for my baby, I ordered this Bambino, huge packet of Bambino macaroni wrap. Elbows. He loves this pasta. Sometimes he asks for mama, मुझे yellow pasta चाहिए, मुझे red pasta चाहिए, मुझे white pasta चाहिए. So I'll make it with this. It's very convenient. Just boil it and make your tadka and pour this into that. So it's very easy to make. And sometimes when my baby is very my throat is paining, guys. I don't know why, but it's very paining. So sometimes जब मेरे बेबी बहुत जल्दी में होता है कि मुझे अभी चाहिए तो मुझे अभी चाहिए, sometimes he do that कि मुझे पास्ता खाना है और मुझे अभी चाहिए, 2 minutes में चाहिए. So with this you have to boil this and अलग से तुम्हें ये सॉस बनानी पड़ेगी. So I don't. So when he's in jaldi, so I make this pasta, Maggi pasta, cheese macaroni. So I make this when my baby is not ready to wait for 2 minutes or not ready to wait for 15 to 20 minutes, because that Bambino pasta make easily take 20 to 25 minutes to make, but this will take just 5 minutes. So when he is not ready to wait, so I make this pasta. So I buy 4 packs. Yes, 4 packs of this pasta. It's taste awesome. So guys, that's that. So guys, next thing is this. This is Organic India Tulsi Green Tea. हम सबको ना दिन में एक बार एटलीस्ट ग्रीन टी ज़रूर पीनी चाहिए, बिकॉज इट हेल्प्स टू क्लीन आउट द फैट इनसाइड योर बॉडी. सो everyone should drink at least 1 cup of green tea in a day. So that's that. So guys, hope you like my video. If you like, then please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share my videos. Bye bye. See you in my next video.